Hi everyone, I will teach you in this tutorial how to make a thumbnail for YouTube. Okay, first of all, you have to download the Logopit Plus app. It's in Play Store, so it is not difficult to find. Once you have it in your smartphone, you only have to go to create a new project and YouTube thumbnail. There are a lot of thumbnails already done, but you only have to choose or make one from zero. I choose this. Now I will edit the template. This is the final thumbnail. It's another video. You can watch it if you want. Thank you for seeing.